Fagor Professional presents the new iKORE Compact range. The answer to any professional chef who wants to defy their kitchen space. Designed from start to finish with the needs of users in mind, the results speak for themselves, being the perfect balance between quality, efficiency, and comfort. A 100% stainless steel construction and IPX5 protection to face any culinary challenge with the highest demands. 7-inch panoramic touchscreen. Total precision in the cooking chamber thanks to the humidity sensor and even heat distribution with the 6-speed bidirectional ventilation system. Equipped with digital and technological intelligence to standardize culinary processes in the most productive way, thanks to iCooking, additional functions, and multi-tray. HACCP system. Programmed boiler water renewal, automatic 6-level washing, and much more to ensure the well-being of the consumer at all times. Connected to facilitate, monitor, and manage daily work with a real-time and remote view. Maximum potential in minimal space. iKORE Compact. When size matters.